What is good, everyone, and welcome to this video on the Acoustic Audio AA40CW. This is a center channel speaker with two 4-inch woofers and one 1-inch soft dome tweeter, claiming it can do 20 to 500 watts per pair, and the back sticker claiming 500 watts peak. I really don't like it when companies do this because you should never rate it based on its peak wattage. They should always use the RMS wattage. Anyways, this speaker is rated at 8 ohms and claims to range from 94 Hz to 20 kHz. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Now taking a look inside, I was very impressed by the magnets and the magnetic shields used. They're huge. Not only that, but they seem to have two 4-ohm woofers wired in series to make it 8 ohms. Only issue with that is, as many of you know, if one goes, they both go. However, that doesn't seem to be the issue on this one, as one of the woofer magnets just fell right off. But anyways, the tweeter also has a magnetic shield, as it should. You can see it also has a high-pass filter using a little capacitor, and it is not tied in series with the woofers. The tweeter is running in parallel. However, for this woofer, things are pretty dismal. As we discussed earlier, the magnet fell right off. It came to my attention when I first put power to this and only one woofer was making noise. Then I tilted the speaker and heard something rolling around. At that moment, I immediately knew it was the magnet, and sure enough, it was. Taking a look at what they have for acoustic treatment, I can say not much. All they have is this acoustic padding, foam, whatever you want to call it. It definitely does something, but not enough, as the rest of the cabinet is hollow with no other acoustic treatment. So what about ports? This thing has them. They're really short, probably only go back an inch if that, and there's 2 of them on either side, which makes sense because of how you would put this speaker. It would be horizontally as I have it right now, but you lose a lot of low-end frequencies by having 2 short ports like these. Despite this being partially broken, it's time for the sound test using the Acoustic Audio TB10A stereo power amplifier rated at 100 watts per channel. Although before that, I do want to note that the push-in connectors are really nice. I would have done some more songs and some movie scenes to show you how it would sound with voices because this is a center channel speaker, but I chose songs from movies instead. Not only that, but the reason I didn't record anything else was because my GoPro crashed and I could not turn it back on. I eventually did get it to work again. That's how I got all these videos off, but I was unable to record more tests. Also, the audio is not the best as I am using the built-in GoPro microphone, but hopefully you get the idea. With the sound test complete, I realized I 1 should have just kept the EQ for this speaker flat, or 2 turned the treble up a little bit. I do think the GoPro microphone muffles the sound a little bit, however, all in all for $45 you can't go wrong. Even though one of the woofers didn't work, I was able to reach out to Goldwood and someone answered right away. I asked about the warranty and they said they would ship me a new one. A week later, it arrived. Very friendly customer service staff, and although this isn't the greatest sounding speaker, I would absolutely buy another one of their products simply because of the great customer service. However, be on the lookout for a cool video featuring these speakers coming up, where I'll be making some upgrades to get these things sounding much better and show ready for my 2022 Halloween light show. Thanks for watching.